This is a great idea.
I'll have to see that.
Oh, that's so cool. What? Oh, it's so cool. Awesome. Oh, look at the pretty white. I like the pretty white.
Oh yeah, you're very sorry.
Bicycles are exciting, fun, and freeing. They're a vehicle to adventure that takes you on a ride around the countryside or to a local cafe with your friends. A bike gives you the freedom to go where you want, when you want, to help you stay connected to the people and the things you enjoy. No gas, no engines, just you and your bike. Except when you get a flat. Have you ever found yourself in the middle of nowhere pushing a bike? Tires and tubes are constantly getting replaced. Their time, their money, and a huge pain, especially kids' bikes. In fact, we built a business around this idea, but we feel it's time to change.
We are Ryan, Jake, and Dave. We've been friends a long time. We dress the same, and we own a bike store together. Over the years, we've seen thousands of flat tires. It's the #1 reason people come into our store. We hate flat tires. You hate flat tires. Everybody hates flat tires. That's why we went searching the globe to find a better solution. In doing so, we have found some revolutionary answers that are sure to save you time and headaches.
Imagine a tire that isn't affected by punctures or cuts. We have found 2 types of tires that fit most riding needs. Introducing Ever Tires and Nexo. Picture a tire that's easy to install, requires no maintenance, and will provide you years of rides without any worries. With Ever Tires and Nexo, you can truly set it and forget it. The Ever Tire is made of a patented polymer blend that is durable and pliable without being subject to the weaknesses of rubber tubes or tires. With Ever Tires, you can roll over any surface without a care. Ever Tires has a unique design that helps reduce weight, but yet still provides a stable ride. They are currently rated for 5,000 miles, which is like riding across the United States and back again. Complete wheel sets are available for single-speed bikes from sizes from 12 to 26 inches. You simply bolt them onto your bike and you're ready to go.
For those that tend to put on a few more miles and have a few more gears, we have the next generation of tire technology, the Nexo tire. Nexo tires look like your regular road bike tire, except you'll never see them go flat. Their one-of-a-kind material and patented technology have thousands of hours of research in them. They provide durability, traction, and control. They handle, perform, and brake nearly as good as a standard road bike tire. The Nexo tire is quick and easy to install, only taking about 15 minutes. Once it's installed, you're done.
Imagine the freedom of riding your bike thousands of miles worry-free. We're bringing this to market now because we feel that you should be spending more time with your friends and family doing the things that you love and less time in the garage trying to fix those tires. Get on board with this flat-free solution and let's go ride.
Ever thought about all the things you achieve with a simple push of a button? Technology brings endless possibilities right to our fingertips. making life more comfortable in every aspect and helping us prepare better for the future. Except when it comes to a flat tire. Ride Air is the next generation of effortless air pumps. And it works at the push of a button, just like you're used to, just as it should. Ride Air is clean, simple, and efficient. It's designed to help you in two common situations: the natural loss of air pressure that always catches you off guard, and a flat tire that stops you from getting on your bike at all. Ride Air is the perfect quick fix for both. It lets you inflate your tires with a single push of a button. This way, you can take care of a flat after you get to where you need to be. Ride Air can be refilled with an air compressor in literally a second, and its built-in safety prevents air from leaking out. We worked on a slick and elegant design that would fit perfectly on your bike, so that you're never caught without it. Just to be on the safe side, it has a built-in lock to keep your Ride Air where it belongs. And of course, Ride Air isn't just for riding. You can also use it to inflate lots of...
Introducing the only e-bike small and light enough to carry in a backpack. The SMA Circle S1. SMA Circle is more than just an e-bike. It's your new everyday companion for better, easier transportation.
My name is Zheng Wu. I'm the co-founder and chief marketing officer at SMA Circle Technology. So many of us experience problems in our commutes: traffic jams, crowded public transportation, and distance that are too far. We committed to creating the best possible solutions.
Because of its carbon fiber frame, it weighs a mere 15.4 pounds. As soon as you're ready to ride, you can be on your way in seconds with 5 easy steps. Monitor your speed, distance, your lights, your battery, all while charging your smartphone. The S1 is durable and tough. It can easily carry up to 220 pounds. With its sleek, modern design, the S1 gets you from A to B in style. The SMA Circle S1 will keep you cruising at a speed of 12.4 miles per hour. The simple handlebar thumb control allows the rider to adjust speed. The left thumb brake will quickly and safely stop the S1. When your ride is done, simply use the SMA Circle app to lock your S1, making it unusable to anyone but you.
SMA Circle team has spent countless days on research and development. We want to design an e-bike. Not only can save energy, but also can save time and space, so you can take it with you wherever you can.
Whether you're commuting to work or cruising through the park, the S1's adjustable seat and handlebars always make for a comfortable ride. The SMA Circle S1, the most